I go over the features in the video, but let's recap again. It's a crock-pot with a digital timer. The Time Select Digital Slow Cooker has 2 cooking methods so you can time your meals around your prep time, perfect for busy families. The Plan Meal feature automatically adjusts the cooking cycle so your meal is ready exactly when you want it. With 3 custom settings, you choose the type of food, the amount and the exact meal time, and Time Select does the rest. The easy-to-read digital display lets you choose heat mode, set the cook time and see the remaining cook time. The Auto Keep Warm feature ensures your food is ready to eat when you want it. The timer automatically switches to keep warm mode when the cooking time is over. Comes with a 6-quart stoneware insert that is easy to clean. The lid has latches on both ends and a gasket so it closes securely and can be carried around. The handle is just the right size so it's easy to carry. It's perfect for busy moms or those who don't want to spend all day in the kitchen. After reading the pamphlet, this crock-pot is easy to set up and use. I highly recommend this crock-pot. It's practical for cooking as well as food preparation. It is environmentally friendly, energy efficient at 240 watts at 120 VA.C and 60 Hz. Oven and dishwasher safe stoneware makes it easy to care for. And the slim profile and digital display of this electric slow cooker make it a stylish addition to your kitchen counter. If you'd like to buy a crock-pot, click the link in the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to see the next video.